Tofu Skincare in Bangkok is a popular skincare product store located in the bustling Pratunam area, very close to the famous Platinum Fashion Mall. It offers a wide range of Thai brand skincare and beauty products at reasonable prices. The store is known for its multi floor layout with different categories of products on each level. The ground floor is dedicated to skincare essentials including sunscreens, lotions, shampoos, and soaps. The first floor primarily features makeup products, allowing customers to explore a variety of cosmetics. The shopping experience was 10 on 10, and you can see that in my shopping basket and say that. December's is a women's clothing store located right next to Platinum Fashion Mall. You will get wholesale fashion offering a variety of casual and trendy women's clothing. It's a four-story building. You get mostly casual and relaxed style outfits here. I shopped quite a lot of formal wears from here. Great for bulk shopping. I could find clothes ranging from 150 to 350 bahts. Your Bangkok trip is incomplete without visiting the Platinum Fashion Mall. It's much hyped mall though, but here you get the trendiest clothes and accessories, both retail and wholesale. This mall is a paradise for bargain hunters. Best to go before afternoon as there is a lot to see and shop, and the mall is open only until 8 pm. Next up is the Prachuram night market. I found it little less impressive compared to other markets. While the clothes were affordable here, but I didn't find them to be trendy and latest style. The quality was also not high quality as compared to other markets. Indra Square, Bangkok is a mix of wholesale and retail stores. You can get some budget friendly options in toys, souvenirs, electronics, and travel essentials. Shops offer bulk discounts here. This place is very famous among Indian travelers. Chinatown in Bangkok is one of the largest and most vibrant Chinatowns in the world. It's the main artery lined with neon lights and gold shops and restaurants serving delicacies like dim sum, oyster omelette, and roasted duck. Sampin Market is a legendary cheapest wholesale market located in Chinatown. It is the maze of narrow alleys packed with vendors selling everything from textiles and accessories to household goods and souvenirs. This time they were selling a lot of goods for the upcoming Thai New Year Songkran. The market operates daily from 8 am to 5 pm with a special night market running from 2 am to 7 am. Chatuchak Weekend Market is one of the largest and most famous weekend markets in the world, located in Bangkok, Thailand. It spans 35 acres and features over 15,000 stalls, attracting 2 lakh visitors every weekend. The market operates every Saturday and Sunday from 9 am to 6 pm. Arriving early helps avoid the crowd and the heat. Unfortunately, I went on a Friday and therefore there were comparatively less shops open. The market has 26 sections and each has unique collection and fashion accessories, home decors, art, food and drinks, and plants and pets too. There is a section of AC Mall as well, the Mixed Chatuchak. The prices in Chatuchak market is very reasonable and you get a unique taste and collectibles. The fashion wear here ranges somewhere from 100 Thai baht to 300 Thai baht. While walking through the Mixed Chatuchak, I came across this pet cafe where so many different species of dogs were there and you can pay and play and feed the dogs as well. Street food here has a lot of choices, and as you know, Thai food has plenty of options to choose from. You will not be disappointed, I promise. As the adventure comes to a close, Bangkok has proven to be a shopper's paradise. From the neon lit streets of Chinatown, the treasure packed lanes of Sampan Market, the endless finds at Chatuchak Weekend Market, and beyond. Whether it's trendy fashion, unique souvenirs, mouth-watering street food, or hidden gems, this city has something for everyone. Shopping in Bangkok is more than just buying things, it's an experience filled with vibrant energy, cultural richness, and unbeatable bargains. So, if you are ever here, here's my Bangkok shopping guide for you guys. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep watching, happy shopping, and see you in the next vlog.